Although I can't imagine there are too many super deformed hybrid car fans of economy hybrid cars. Here we are. This is a ChoroQ number 40, and it's from 2001. It's the very first generation Toyota Prius. So I thought I'd pick it up. It's coming in a nice little metallic purple. I think the ST means it's like the standard line of ChoroQs. So they're very basic of basic ChoroQs. But I could be wrong. With a nice little plastic wrapper to keep the box from scratching it up. Stuff goes in the trash. So it says number 40 on the back here. Maybe it's number 40 in the standard line. Alright, looking at that. Well, you know, I don't know if different countries had different lower openings. This one's quite a rectangle. That is more a trapezoid. The wheels obviously aren't going to match. These are standard 5 spokes from Choro-Q. But they're a little bulge, although that's not the best image I pulled up there. Seems alright. Here's the foreshortening view. Yeah, I like the wheels on this one. They look very Saab, but they're actually 6 spokes instead of 3 spokes. Actually, by the side view, it actually looks like a Saab. Now that I think of it, an old Saab. Here's the rear view. Simple enough. Some wedge taillights there. Alright, let's see what else is going on a little closer here. So the fuel filler right there. This kinked up thing is alright. They even got the little crease in the front quarter here. And then this is just a whole body of gray smoked plastic, and then they painted all this stuff on top of it. You can see the motor right there. So the headlights are probably the same. Unfortunately, yeah, I can add some paint there and there. Again, this is the very basic Choro-Q, so it's not going to have all the details. And this one has this weird shape that I do see on the side view, and it actually doesn't exist on this side of the car. So anyone know what this is? What's the deal with that? Don't know what it is myself. What is weird is there's no door cutouts for the handles. You know, they have the door panels, but they could have easily molded in the same cutouts. Or maybe not, because it depends on the way the mold was made. It's nice to see this red back here, because I don't want to paint that myself. And then there we go. We know it's a Prius. It's number 40 in the series. And then I guess the regular standards have nothing here. 2001, standard construction. Let's open this up, because I have already printed some new wheels for this from like a more modern Prius. I just looked up, you know, actually hubcaps for the Prius and wheels, and I pulled up images of the ones I think I associate most with. So that motor is taken out. I'm going to pop in a new motor with the rear axle removed. Alright, I'm going to screw this back together by hand so I don't strip out the plastic. I got a different Choro-Q and I took it apart to realize that whoever owned it before totally stripped out this hole. So it was, the screw just wouldn't back out because the hole was stripped. So you want to try to find the thread before you screw it in, or you'll cross thread it. Alright, so the wheels I have, 3 printed here. Those are the Prius wheels I'm familiar with. I think it's actually from the 2nd or 3rd generation Prius, but I'm going to put them on this guy. Right, and then I'm just using some wall mount putty here to stick these on, as you can see on the bottom, but since I don't display my toys upside down, I don't really care about the bottom view. You know what? Let's get some JDM camber in there. You can actually sink the tire under the fender quite a bit. Maybe that's a little too ridiculous for a Prius. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm going to back it out a little bit. Maybe like that. Just have a lowered Prius. Yeah, that seems cool. The disc brakes are just part of the wheel. I'm getting too lazy to design my own separate disc brake systems, especially on Choro-Qs that I don't really even love. I don't have anything in 164 with the name Prius in it, so we're just gonna continue comparing to other Choro-Q-esque vehicles. Alright, the first logical one would be the Choro-Q Zero of the newer Toyota Prius, with actually the wheels that I was trying to copy. So I just added some black paint to these. And then I have a Nissan March, another nice economical vehicle from Nissan. And then I just added black paint to those wheels. Here's a smart car, but this is running some sort of other brand's wheels. I don't know if they're Hot Wheels. I think they might be Hot Wheels. And then the last one I'm going to put is a Honda Life with some 3D printed wheels. So a bunch of economical type vehicles. Strange. I'm not sure why I collect these. I like the taxi. It's a service vehicle. I'm not really sure why I bought the Nissan March or the Honda Life. I do like the smart car though. That thing's cool. Anyways, I think it's just because these things don't really take up too much space and it allows me to customize them that I like to do this sort of stuff. Alright, so the ChoroQ Zero, you know, it's nice that it has a green blank license plate. It has specific wheels, and then the rear taillights are red and, you know, silver. And there's also printing on the back. It literally says Prius back there, so that's one of the advantages of the more modern ChoroQs. But I think considering this is a standard ChoroQ, it's nice that it has taillights at all. And it was probably dirt cheap whenever it sold originally in 2001. If anyone knows the price back then, I would guess it's like $3. Anyways, well, chances are I will get some more electric vehicles. I know the ChoroQ has the Nissan Leaf, so maybe I'll get that one someday. Alright, well, thanks for watching this. I'll see you the next time. Bye.